Let's start this video with one big disclaimer. We cannot plan for what we don't see. A store manager put it best: subfloor structural issues are in a good portion of projects. I'd say 15 to 20% of projects or higher, depending on how old the home is in which you're working. So what is a subfloor and why does it matter? Hi, I'm Matt Sweeney with Big Bob's Flooring. So what is a subfloor? A subfloor is basically anything under your floor covering, but above your joist. There are two basic types of subfloor: wood and concrete. Wood planks allow you to use many different types of floor coverings, but not all kinds. We find the most common error that ends up occurring is when tile was installed directly over wood or plywood and ends up cracking. The wood ends up drying out the adhesive, causing voids in your mortar, which then something hits your tile and it cracks. While wood is a good subfloor, keep in mind that wood squeaks. And while there are certain things we can do to try to alleviate, lessen that, can't guarantee that it's always going to work. Concrete subfloors are usually best for most types of floors, especially tile or stone. Solid wood or hardwood is one type of flooring that's not recommended over concrete. Concrete can actually sweat moisture, and wood, being a living, breathing product, will absorb that moisture and expand, and then release it as it dries out and contract. This can cause warping, cupping, or even splintering in your wood. So generally, we don't install wood over concrete unless we do something to prep that material first. There are caveats to this because there is an acidity level that can exist in concrete that can actually cause the mortar and the adhesive for the tile or the stone not to adhere to the concrete. There are also subcategories of subfloor, like fiber rock, cement board, backer board, or even strand board. Wood subfloor products will all provide similar results, but there are different types of products recommended for different types of applications. If you're installing porcelain or ceramic over a wooden subfloor, you will need additional materials like an underlayment such as a cement board or a fiber rock, hardy backer, something of that nature. This is because wood will absorb the moisture from the adhesive needed to lay those tiles down, and over time that will cause voids and it will cause additional cracking. Hopefully this video has provided you some tips on what to look for in your subfloor so that you can get it in tip-top shape. Next week, we'll be covering a different part of the anatomy of your home, the underlayment and the joists. Knowing about these will make sure that your project goes smoothly and lasts a lifetime. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. While you're down there, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as we'll be putting out new content weekly.